Hi! Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, I will introduce Shabu Shabu Salad with Yuzu and Tomato Dressing. It's a very refreshing and filling dish, and the tomato on top looks like a red jewel. That's the ingredients for this dish, and you can buy the beef and the yuzu jam at the Asian shops. Okay, let's start. First, making the dressing. Chop the onion finely, put in a bowl, and sprinkle with the salt. Mix and leave for 5 minutes. Next, cut the tomato into quarters, remove seeds, and chop finely. Cut the cherry tomato into quarters as well. Wash and drain the onion we chopped earlier. Next, into a bowl, pour 50 ml of rice vinegar and 90 ml of rice oil. Add 1 tablespoon of yuzu jam, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Mix it all together. Put the cut tomatoes into a bowl and add the onion and the yuzu mixture. Mix well, and that's our yuzu and tomato dressing. Put salad mix into a bowl and pour on cold water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then drain the water. Slice the radish. Prep water in a bowl to cool the beef. In a saucepan, bring water to the boil and spread out the beef 1 piece at a time. Boil until it changes color. Shake it with a chopstick. Once the beef changes color, put it in the bowl of cold water. Then drain the water. Put the salad mix and the radish on a plate. Put the beef on top of salad mix. Pour on the dressing, then you are done. Very easy to make and looks beautiful. It's also very filling. How would you like it for tonight dinner? Thank you for watching. See you next video.